support. It is about 2,000 tenants who are protesting on the roads of Chandni Chowk in Delhi, protesting against the Delhi Rent Control Act. Now, a month ago, it was the landlords who had gone to Delhi High Court protesting against the Delhi Rent Control Act, saying that the Delhi Rent Control Act is in favor of the tenants and that the tenants are not even paying the basic rent which they should according to the Delhi Rent Control Act, and the landlords are not able to sell or give rent on their properties which is up to market rates. And today it is the tenants who are saying that they have paid pagri in terms of ownership and bought these shops from these landlords who are going to the Delhi High Court protesting against them, and they are saying that we've been working on these shops for a very, very long time now, and how can we be evicted on terms of bona fide reasons given by the landlords themselves. 2,000 tenants on road in East Delhi, in the East Delhi area of the capital. They are saying that it is certainly a conflict which has started between the landlords and the tenants together, and the government should actually come clear on this and talk about what the Delhi Rent Control Act actually should be to both the tenants and the landlords together.
Kalipa also caught up with a few protesters and asked them about the protest march and their demands. Listen in.
They have actually sold this property to us in the form of pagri. So they have taken the full amount of the shop. So that means basically we are the owner of the shop, but it was just a small rent receipt because the partial registry was not possible that was allowed to have partial registry. So that's why to give it उनको इंडिविजुअली एक आदमी को सेल करने के लिए इन्होंने छोटी सी माइनर सी रसीद बना ली, 5 रुपए 10 रुपए 50 रुपए 100 रुपए की रसीद बना के इन्होंने एक ओनरशिप राइट हमारे हैंड आउट किया था, सो दैट इन्होंने के पैसा हमारे से ले चुके हैं. So they have actually sold the property.